Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the background theme in Gnucash. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the default installation folder of Gnucash on your computer. Go ahead and open your File Explorer, and from there, head over to your Gnucash installation directory. This is where all the program files and configuration settings are stored, giving you access to customize various aspects of the application. Once you're inside the Gnucash folder, look for a folder named etc and open it. This folder contains important configuration files that control how Gnucash behaves and appears on your system. Inside the etc folder, you'll need to locate another folder called GTK-3.0. This specific folder holds the theme settings for the graphical interface of Gnucash, which is exactly what we need to modify. Open the GTK-3.0 folder, and you'll see a file simply named Settings. This is the configuration file that controls the theme preferences. Go ahead and double-click on this file, and it will open in your default text editor application. This is where you can make changes to how Gnucash looks visually. Now I'm going to show you a simple line of command that you can use to enable the new theme. You might want to pause the video here to copy the line accurately and make sure you enter it exactly as shown. Within this line of command, you'll notice the word true as the Boolean value. This setting is what enables the new theme on your Gnucash installation, giving the application a fresh, updated appearance. If at any point you decide you want to revert back to the original theme, simply return to this same settings file and replace the word true with false. This will disable the new theme and restore Gnucash to its default appearance. It's that simple and gives you full control over how you want your financial software to look. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background theme in Gnucash by modifying the GTK settings file. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.